Nice. I went to go open up my back door. This is my rear driver's side. Opens just fine. And because there's a camera right here, it's not doing it. But there it is. There. Okay. Didn't make me have to be a liar. So let's rip this door panel off and let's see. Let's see what's going on. Okay, that ain't gonna cut it. There's one Phillips head right there. And then underneath this door handle right here is another little panel. We're gonna take a, where's the camera at? There it is. We're gonna take a very thin flathead, pop that in there, and then pull back, exposing those last two. And this is why you don't buy cobalt tools, just taking out that. Let me see if I can get it. There we go, look at that. Oh my God, junk. Now we got those out. Now we're just going to start, I'm gonna start in this bottom left-hand corner. Just pry out. I can tell you this door has never been removed before. Now as I'm prying out, I'm gonna lift up because usually it hangs on a lip up here. Like that, see? Okay. And the one wiring connector down here. And so when it's up in here, you just gotta push in on this white, and this connector was extremely hard actually to get out, but you gotta push it deep in to pull it out. So, all right, okay, so unfortunately back behind here is where it comes in and out of. Let me see if I can get back here at least. Now we're in there, we're gonna shut it, brings it in. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm just gonna take some axle grease, put it here, up and around here. There you go. Now the camera can see it. Just wanna check something out. I wanna try something. I wanna get that greased up really good. Yeah, I want something thicker up there. I didn't want something like a WD-40, just for the simple fact of it's gonna dry up really quick. So at least with the axle grease, I can clean it up out here. Let's give it a couple tries. I'm gonna do this for, I don't know. Just gonna keep doing this for a while. So after some trial and error, what I found out is it's underneath right underneath this bar right there, where it's actually rubbing up against, and that's making your squealing noise. So I grease the bottom part generously. There we go. So now when it comes in and out, it's fully greased on all sides. So there you go, that's it. I was doing that for a while and the noise went away. So like I said, I wanted to use something thicker than WD-40. Yeah, that would have probably fixed it immediately, but I'd been redoing this here in a couple months, at least with the axle grease. You should be able to, you know, that should be able to last a while longer. So, all right, hope that video helped. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.